Kirabu gia Kariobangi Sharks nikihotire kirabu kia AFC Leopards na mbao 3-1 gucanio ithakirwo muthu wa muthu kiharoini gia Kenyatta Stadium mwena wa Machakos. Muthaki George Abaga afugire mbao 2 dakika 12 na dakika ya 64. Na muthaki Duke Abuya afuga dakika ya 46 mbao ya kogiria maithori ya AFC Leopards igifungwo ni muthaki Yvonne Isuza.
I think the players did their best. Basically, my attackers in the second half.
It's like 10 chances. And we did a couple of mistakes and then they kill us in counter-attack.
Muthu wa ruciu wako na ngucanio mwe. Timu ya Gor Mahia igithaka na timu ya Ulinzi Stars.
Defeat against Thika behind us because it's going to be tough against Ulinzi because they, as everybody wants to beat Gor Mahia.
Kocha wa Gor Mahia Dylan Kell ena mwihoko imwana ciake nika Ahotani thengia wa githagathako kiria kirathie na mbere timu-ini ino.
What I want to do is I want to make sure that we continue playing the way that we have been doing all season. We cannot let our standards drop. I can't let my philosophy and ethics in football drop just because we won the league.
Mufiro gathakirwo kiharoini kia Machakos the 8 cia mĩaraho handũ-inĩ ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV rĩa kwa nĩ ng'ang'a wa nyoka fi.